Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a great weekend. I know it's been a while since I last posted, so I just figured I'd give a quick update on the state of our garden, what we've worked on this week, things we've moved to our raised beds, as well as just seeing overall how they are doing. So you saw the blueberries, we have some chives, and this is our fig tree that we planted recently. So hoping to see how well this does in the next couple of months. We also completed the new setup for the irrigation system since, we changed the entire layout of the garden. So now everything's fully functioning with everything servicing all the beds as well as the other sections of the garden. Here are tomatoes that we actually planted the other day. So they are now placed in their cages. I feel like this is the most space we've given tomatoes. They have their own bed. So we'll see how that goes. No updates on the beans or the cucumbers just yet, but hopefully soon. We have our planter bags here with some of the spearmint. We have a couple with lemon balm, thyme, oregano, rosemary. And then one of the things that we decided to do is use the bag for our asparagus that we started growing, since that's also new to us and we weren't sure exactly how well it was going to take. And I know it's a multi-year project, but yeah, the asparagus is over here as well. And then we have more herbs over here, our parsley, basil, as well as some bunching onions. Our daikon, eggplant I think they started to sprout a little bit. You have your fennel still doing well. No sights of carrots just yet. And then we have our pepper plants and raspberries, which you'll see shortly. One of our next projects this week, I believe it'll be this week, is we are going to get a large delivery of mulch wood chips that we are going to lay out in our yard in between all of the beds. One, to kind of just clean out the space, make it easier for us to manage the area around the garden, and then preventing any weeds and just, making it easier. So that will be the next phase of our garden project. Thanks for sticking around. Talk to y'all soon.